Have you ever seen a supercar that looks completely forgotten by time? Today, we're taking a closer look at this abandoned Lamborghini. Hidden away for years, covered in dirt, rust, and neglect, it barely resembles the high-performance machine it once was. At first glance, the damage seems overwhelming. The exterior is worn out, the paint is faded, and many components show clear signs of age and exposure. Most people would probably consider it beyond saving. But every restoration starts with a vision. The first step is a complete inspection. Every panel, every part, and every detail is carefully examined. Before any repairs can begin, the car must be taken apart, piece by piece. The disassembly process reveals the true condition of the vehicle. Hidden beneath the surface are years of accumulated dirt, corrosion, and damaged components. It's a challenging task, but the transformation has officially begun. With the major parts removed, the cleaning process starts. Layers of grime are washed away, exposing the original structure underneath. Slowly, the car begins to reveal its potential. Next comes one of the most important stages: body repair. Damaged areas are carefully restored. Dents are corrected, imperfections are filled, and every surface is prepared for a fresh start. This stage requires patience, precision, and attention to detail. After the repairs are completed, extensive sanding begins. Every panel is smoothed to create the perfect foundation for paint. Hours of work go into making sure every surface is flawless. Once the preparation is finished, primer is applied. This creates a uniform base and ensures the final paint will achieve a professional finish. Now comes the exciting part. The Lamborghini receives its new paint. Layer after layer, the transformation becomes more dramatic. The dull and damaged appearance disappears, replaced by a sleek and modern finish. The difference is incredible. What was once a forgotten supercar is starting to look like a machine worthy of the Lamborghini name once again. While the paint cures, attention turns to the remaining components. Parts are cleaned, restored, and prepared for reinstallation. Every detail matters when bringing a vehicle back to life. The interior receives special attention as well. Dust, wear, and damage are addressed to restore the cabin's appearance. Piece by piece, the car begins to feel complete again. Now it's time for reassembly. The restored panels are carefully installed. Components return to their proper places. The vehicle slowly transforms from a collection of parts into a complete supercar once more. As the final pieces come together, the results become impossible to ignore. The Lamborghini looks stunning. The fresh paint, restored bodywork, and renewed details create a dramatic contrast to the condition in which it was found. It's hard to believe this is the same vehicle. Projects like this show what's possible when skill, patience,